Hi, I am introducing you to the Black Seed Oil Rhassoul Clay Facial Wash by the Blessed Seed. Many say that I am beautiful. Well, I agree with them. I admit that I really took good care of my skin by using this product by the Blessed Seed. It is a face wash composed of Rhassoul clay and of course, the black seed oil. According to Healthline.com, Rhassoul clay is a type of clay that some people use as a cosmetic product for their skin and hair. It's a brown clay only found in a valley in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. The term Rhassoul comes from an Arabic word that means to wash. On the other hand, black seed oil is extracted from the seeds of Nigella sativa, a plant native to Southwest Asia. The black seeds are slightly bitter and sometimes used as a flavoring. One of the key components of black seed oil is thymoquinone, a compound with antioxidant properties. My friend asked me one time, "What is your secret?" At first, I did not want to reveal, because it is my secret. But again, I have to be truthful and generous to her. I told her that I am using Black Seed Oil Rhassoul Clay Facial Wash by the Blessed Seed. Ingredients of Black Seed Oil Rhassoul Clay Facial Wash include aqua, distilled, saponified oils, potassium olivate, potassium nigellate, potassium cocote, Moroccan Rhassoul clay, GeoGuard Ultra, vegetable glycerin, cocoa glucoside, endesyl glucoside, citric acid, and magnesium stearate. Gone are the days when I feel so ugly. With regular use of the Black Seed Oil Rhassoul Clay Facial Wash, my self-confidence, indeed, is showing, with my healthy and glowing skin. Boys? Oh my god, they all stare at me like I am the prettiest girl they have ever seen. Don't take my word for it, I strongly suggest you should try this product. You will not regret, promise.